Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study chapter 1, that is linear equation in two variables for standard 10th algebra. Before we start, let us understand few terms. What is variable? A variable is a symbol or letter such as x or y that represents a value in algebraic equation. The value of one variable is often dependent on the value of another. What is constant? A constant is a number on its own or sometimes letter such as A, B or C to stand for a fixed number. Example, x plus 5 is equal to 9. So 5 and 9 are constant. What is coefficient? Coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. 4x means 4 times x. So 4 is the coefficient. Now students, please look into this figure. Here I have written 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. 4 is the coefficient, x is the variable. This plus minus whatever operations, they are the operator, and 7 and 5 they are the constant. Linear equation in two variables. Let us understand what it is. An equation that can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and ab not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables, namely x and y. The solution for such an equation is a pair of values, one for x and one for y, which further makes the two sides of an equation equal. Let us understand what is simultaneous linear equations. Two linear equations in two variables taken together are called simultaneous linear equation. Let us solve one example. 3x plus 2y is equal to 36, which is equation number 1. 5x plus 4y is equal to 64, which is my equation number 2. Let us solve this sum. Notice that if we multiply both sides of the first equation by 2, we obtain an equivalent equation. So, I have multiplied equation 1 by 2, I got 6x plus 4y is equal to 72, which is my equation number 3. Now, if equation 2 is subtracted from equation 3, the terms involving y will be eliminated. 6x plus 4y is equal to 72, which was my equation number 3. 5x plus 4y is equal to 64, which is my equation number 2. I am going to subtract it. So 6x minus 5x is equal to x, plus 4y minus 4y will get cancelled, and 72 minus 84 will give me 8. So my value of x is equal to 8. Now what am I going to do? I am going to substitute this value in either equation 1 or 2. I am going to substitute in equation number 1, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 36. Now in this case my x is equal to 8. So 3 into 8 plus 2y is equal to 36, which will give me 24 plus 2y is equal to 36. That is 2y, what am I doing? This 24 will come this side and become minus, and it will become 36 minus 24. That is 2y is equal to 12. So, y is equal to 6. So, the solution is 8 and 6. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. Let us start with the practice set 1.1. First question is activity based. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Let add the equation 1 and 2. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 plus 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now students, this is the activity based question. This is already been printed. Only whatever box you are going to fill it out. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7x. 3y plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled, and 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. So I have to find value of x. X is equal to 21 divided by 7. So my value of x is equal to 3. Now what am I going to do? I am going to substitute this value in one of the equation. Place x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So 5 into value of x is 3. So I am going to put 3 over here. So 5 into 3 gives me 15. So 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. So 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. I will put the sign of the greater number, that is minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. That gives me y is equal to minus 2. So the solution is of x and y is 3 and minus 2. Students, let us solve exercise 1.1 question number 2. First and second you will do it on your own. Let's start with third sum. (2x minus 3y is equal to 9). This is my equation number 1. 2x plus y is equal to 13. This is my equation number 2. Now, subtracting equation 1 from 2. What am I going to do? I am going to subtract equation 1 from 2. When I subtract equation 1 from 2, when I subtract, the signs are going to get changed. So this minus will become plus and here plus will become minus. This 2x will get cancelled. 3y plus 1y will give me 4y and 13 minus 9 will give me 4. So the value of y is equal to 1. 4 upon 4, that is 1. Now what am I going to do, students? I will substitute this value of y in either equation 1 or 2. Substituting y is equal to 1 in equation number 2. 2x plus y is equal to 13. So I am going to substitute value of y. What is my value of y? 1. So where y I will write 1. 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 1, which will give me 2x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 upon 2, that is x is equal to 6. So my answer is 6 and 1, that is value of x and value of y is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Now let us solve question number 5. Now question number 4 is same sum like this question number 3. So you will do it by yourself. Let us start with question number 5. Question number 5. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. This is my equation number 1. X plus 5y is equal to 4. That is my equation number 2. Next step, multiplying equation 2 by 5. If I multiply this by 5, I will get over here 5x. So it would be easy for me to cancel by subtracting it. So 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. What I did, I have multiplied equation 2 by 5. So 5 into x is 5x. 5 into 5 is 25y and 5 into 4 is 20. This is my equation number 3. Now, I will subtract equation 1 from 3. When I subtract, again the sign will get changed. 5x and 5x will get cancelled. 25y minus 2y, because here it was plus, I have done minus. So 25 minus 2 is 23y and 20 plus 3 is 23. Now, so the value of y, because 23 and 23 will get cancelled, so y is equal to 1. Now again I am going to substitute this y is equal to 1 in either equation 1, 2 or 3. Substituting y is equal to 1 in equation 1. So my equation 1 is 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. I am going to substitute value of y, 5x plus 2 into 1. That is y value is 1. 5x plus 2 is equal to minus 3. 5x is equal to your minus 3. The students, this plus 2 will come this side and become minus. Okay, so minus minus plus 5x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 upon 5, that is x is equal to minus 1. So my answer is minus 1, 1 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Let us solve question number 6. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Now let us solve this sum. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. This is my equation number 1. Now students, here in the denominator I have 3. So I am going to multiply this equation 1 by 3 so that 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, I will get 1 upon 3x into 3 plus 3 into y is equal to 10 upon 3 into 3. This 3 and this 3 got cancelled. This 3 and this 3 got cancelled. Now let us understand what we will get. X plus 3y is equal to 10. This is my equation number 2. 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. This is my equation number 3. Now students, here in my denominator I have 4. So what am I going to do? I am going to multiply by 4. Multiply equation 3 by 4. I will get 2x into 4 plus 1 upon 4y into 4 is equal to 11 upon 4 into 4. This 4 got cancelled. This 4 and this 4 got cancelled. So I got 8x plus y is equal to 11, which is my equation number 4. Now multiply equation 4 by 3. I am going to multiply it by 3. I will get 24x plus 3y is equal to 11 into 3, that is 33. This is my equation number 5. Let us move further. Now subtracting equation 2 from 5. I am going to subtract equation 2 from 5. 24x plus 3y is equal to 33, which is my equation number 5, and x plus 3y is equal to 10, which is equation number 2. When I subtract, the sign gets changed. Plus will become minus. Here also plus will become minus. This 3y plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. 24x minus x will give me 23x. 33 minus 10 will give me 23. So x is equal to 1. Now I am going to substitute this value of x in equation 4. When I substitute, what is my equation 4? 8x plus y is equal to 11. Now my value of x is equal to 1. 8 into 1 plus y is equal to 11. So 8 plus y is equal to 11. Therefore y is equal to, this 8 will come this side and become minus. So 11 minus 8, that is y is equal to 3. So answer 1 and 3 is the solution of the simultaneous equation. Question number 7, you will do it on your own. Let us move to question number 8. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252, which is my equation number 2. Now what am I going to do, students? I am going to add this equation 1 and 2. When I add, let us see what I get. When I add the equation 49x plus 57x, I will get 106x. 57y plus 49, I will get 106y. And this 172 plus 252, when I add, I will get 424. Now 106x minus 106y is equal to 424. So what will I do? I will divide this equation by 106. Divide by 106. When I divide by 106, 106 will get cancelled. 106 will get cancelled. 424 upon 106, 106 ones are and 4s are is 424. So what which equation I will get? X minus y is equal to 4, which is my equation number 3. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2. I am going to subtract this equation 1 from 2. 50. When I subtract, the signs are going to get changed. 57x minus 49, I will get 8x. 49 plus 49y and 57y, I will get 8y is equal to 80. So I will divide this by 8. I will get x plus y is equal to 10, which is my equation number 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. When I add equation 3 and 4, x minus y is equal to 4, which is my equation number 3, and x plus y is equal to 10. This is my equation number 4. So plus y minus y will get cancelled. X plus x will give me 2x. 10 plus 4 will give me 14. So 2x is equal to 14. So my value of x would be 7. Now I am going to substitute this value of x in equation number 3. When I substitute in equation number 3, x minus y is equal to 4. I am going to substitute value of x, that is 7. 7 minus y is equal to 4. Okay, this minus y I will keep it over here only. This 4, this plus 7 will move this side and become minus 7. So minus y is equal to 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. Minus minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 3. So my answer is 7, 3 is the solution of the simultaneous equation. Okay students, I have given you some home assignment over here. You are going to solve exercise 1.1, question number 2, 1, 2, 4 and 7. From question number 2, you are going to solve first, second, fourth and 7. Rest all the sums I have done it. Thank you students.